Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, I'm your window man, Eric, with Window Depot USA in Dayton, Ohio. We're out here in Fairborn today in the Chapelgate neighborhood. We just did 5 windows for a new homeowner. They're going to do the rest later, but right now these were some pain points that they needed to get them done quickly because the double unit above us was actually leaking water inside the house. And then we also changed the profile of the window above the door. So why don't you come on inside with me and we'll take a look. All right, so since all the windows are upstairs, we're gonna go ahead and head up there. So actually, this window here used to be a double hung window, and they couldn't even reach it because it's so high up off the floor. So we went ahead and switched it out into a picture window. And because of the relationship being above an entryway, it is tempered glass as well. Here we are on the inside of the house. There is a close proximity to 675 on the location of the house. And I just want you to sit in here and you don't hear much noise coming in because these are the Window Depot USA Provia Endure triple pane. Then when I open up the window, you can hear that highway traffic. Then when I shut it, it's just a very low ambient noise. So just to show you a little bit of the sound deafening triple pane provides. So, boom. Pretty easy. Everybody says it's hard to get these flex screens out from inside the house, but there's a little quick how-to. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and step outside so I can show you the capping work. Glad to see these old bones can still stretch. But out here, the guys put the new capping over top of the wood. And then also the fascia beam here that's wrapped in aluminum. A siding company came in and did that because there was some siding stuff going on. And they rewrapped it. It was rotted all the way through. But then there's also a little drip edge over top of our capping. That way no water can get back in there. But overall, I'd say this is a great job. Thanks again for joining me for another episode of The Customer's House.